Hey peeps, Candace here. I've got some new tapestries to make journal covers. And I mean, obviously, if you wanted to just hang it and not use it as a journal cover, that's fine. But these are 9 by 12, and the idea for these is that you could take a regular piece of 8.5 by 11 and just fold them in half and make a really quick signature. So the 9 by 12 is really a perfect size for that. So I'm just going to go through these and show them to you. This one is CH1, and it's a chamois, deep dark chamois color. Here is CH2. You can see how dark this is, more like a mustard, almost like an olive mustard color. And then this is CH3, and this is an actual more of a regular chamois color. Okay. This one is R1, and this is the only red one that I have. Okay. I just want to move it around a little bit. Then I have these rust red ones, and it's more of a rust colored on the back. So this is R2. I like this one. This one has some really pretty, you can kind of picture that one. This one too, this one's heavy. It's got a lot of beads on it. This is R3. Okay. Here's a green. This is the only green one I have. It's got a lot of sparkly to it. Really pretty. Then I have some peachy, a couple of peachy orange ones. This is O1. It's got some pretty pink in there. And then this is O2. Okay. Just gonna move it around. Some of these are a little bit bigger than 9 by 12 because they're, as you can see, they're not exact size. But they should be close enough for what you need. I like this pretty sequined right here. This one is BK1, and this is a black, pretty dark, nice dark black. BK2. Again, these are 9 by 12. Ooh, this one's pretty. BK3, and you can kind of see the line for folding it for the front and the back. It's pretty cool. It's kind of separated already. BK3. I like this one. BK4. Really pretty black sequins on there. BK4. BK5. This one has a lot of color. BK5. This is pretty in here. And the colored sequins. BK6. This is super pretty. I don't know if you can see that, if it shines as well as it does for me here. BK7. BK7. I think that's pretty right there. BK7. BK8. It's got like a sunshine there. BK8. BK9. BK10. This one's actually really cool looking. I love all this intricate work here. BK11. Again, this one is sort of split, so it would be perfect for a journal cover. BK11. And then we have some gray black ones, and this is GB1. This is a gray black, lots of silver sequins on that, very shiny. GB2. Some reds and yellows and blues, lots of colors on there. GB3, this has more some golds, a lot of intricate design in here. And then I've got some teal. Oh, I love this one. This one, I want to keep this, but TBL01. Look at all those sequins. It's gorgeous. TBL02. I think this is really pretty. I'm going to turn this around here. TBL03. This one's kind of heavy. It has a lot of beads on it. Okay. TBL04. Okay. And then I have the indigo, which are my favorite, my personal favorite of these indigo. Really dark. I almost need to back up because this pile's getting kind of big. I can't get any further back. This is IND 01. Look at the colors. Purples and blues. IND 02. Again. Oh, these indigos are my favorite. And IND 03. And this one has a lot of purple and gold in it. It's really pretty. Okay, well, thank you for watching. These are in the store. The kits will come with some Himalaya spun ribbon. These are 9x12. These are $15 for the kit, and so that's not bad. Even just having this tapestry that you can hang up on the wall, you could pay $15 and have a tapestry, because they're really, some of these are absolutely stunning. So thanks for watching. I hope to get some destashes on pretty soon, but I also have more tapestries to get on. So we're going to start here and keep plugging away. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying home. Have a great day.